A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Aslam Yaqub Surya, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, Janta Mahavidyalaya, Chennai. Today, I will demonstrate to you an important tool, TestMoz. It is mainly used for generating online tests or online quiz. After generating, you can view the result of the students which they appear for the examination or the quiz. Let's see how it works. First of all, open the Google page, search engine. In that, type TestMoz. Here, you will get the first one, that is TestMoz Powerful but Simple Journal. Click on it. There is the home page for the TestMoz. Here you will get two options: build a test and try a demo test. If you click on the try demo test, this is just for appearing a test as a student. If you click on it, a demo test will appear. Here you have to enter your name and click on the start. The test will start. Here, click on the options. I'm just random clicking on it. Submit. As soon as you submit test, you will get your score, the result. Just click here instead to get back to the home page. It will once again back to the home page of the TestMoz. Here, now click on the build a test. This is for generating a test which we want to give the students or the participants. Don't log in or sign up. This is for the paid users. If you have purchased the plan of this TestMoz, then you can log in or sign up. Simply click on build a test. Here you have to enter the test name, which is most important. Then this test you can give 50 questions and only 100 students can appear this test, as this is the free version. If you go with the purchase one, then you have the login. Then click on the test name. Suppose I write the test name as ICT tools. Suppose I choose a password according to my need. One of the most important things is that you have to remember the password compulsory. If you forget a password, then you can't recover it. At the same time, if you forget the URL, you can't recover it also. Here the warning is already given. Click on the create test. See, this is the dashboard of your test which you created. Here you have steps given, or the task as given. Most important task is bookmark this page and write down your password. It is already mentioning that it is absolutely critical that you do this. There is no way to recover the URL or the password. I already explained that there is no way to recover your URL or the password which you entered for your TestMoz quiz or TestMoz test. This is the URL. you have to remember compulsory. Second way is your adjust setting. Second step. Next step is your add questions which you want to add in your test. Next is publish and distribute for the students who appear in the test. Last one is view the result. We will go one by one on each and every step. First one is your adjust settings. Your test appears here. Introduction. This text display at top of the text. You can use it to write your instruction, etc. अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स को, उसे आप लोग यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can leave it as a blank also. Next one is your color scheme. Which color you want to choose for your test? For example, if we choose this one, then our test will appear just like in this color combination. Now the questions settings. All questions on one page, or just show one question per page. Next one is randomize the order of question to the test. If you want to shuffle the question, randomize the question, then you have to choose this option. Show a custom message if the student part of it. If you want to show the message to the students if he appear for the examination and what score he get, and after getting the score whether he is passed or failed, you want to display that. And first of all, you have to mention the passing score, how much percentage you are putting for qualifying the exam. For example, I am putting 40%. That means if a student gets a 40%, he will declare as a pass. After passing, what message you want to display? That is pass message. For example, unfortunately, if any student fail, then what fail message you want to display to that particular student? At the end of the test, display the users score, test outline, indicate if the response is correct. Score, test outline, indicate if the response are correct or incorrect. Display the correct answer. Display the explanation. If you want to display the explanation, then click on it. Next is your access control. This is important part of your text. If you want to give the test to your student, then you have to decide who can access this test. Whether anyone, or you have to give the passcode to your students, or a unique identifier, email address from the list which you choose for your list specified. Better way is you have to choose the password. For example, I give the password as 12758. What should test taker enter to identify themselves? There enter, you have to give the specify the test takers which identity they show. Next is browser functionality. Disable right click. At the time of giving the test, if you want to disable the right click context menu, then you can click on it. But this is for the paid users. Just use this. All these are for the paid users. Next is notification. If you want to get the email from the test takers, then you have to purchase the plan. Click on this, simply it will ask you to purchase the plan. this pop-up, click on the save. Now your test is saved. Now the second option is, second step is your questions. There are mainly two types of questions, graded and ungraded. In graded type, there are 6 types of the questions. The main difference between this TestMoz and Google Quiz is the matching and the fill in the blanks. Next is your ungraded question. For example, survey if you want to take, true, false, matching, short answer, etc. This is not graded. Next one is other types, just like a text block, question pool. Question pool, that is the question bank. If you have a question bank and if you want to choose the questions from that question pool, then you have to choose this option. But unfortunately, this is not for the free. This is for the paid users. All these others are for the paid users, mainly question. Now, insert multiple choice question. You have to write the question here. Device. This is the correct answer. Device. Which device? If you want to shuffle the answers, the options, then you have to click on this icon. The answer will be shuffled, and this is the correct answer. This is the point which you want to do the question. This icon is for adding a question above this one, and this is for below this one. This is for deleting the question. The copied using this icon. If I click on this, it will be removed. Next question. This is multiple choice, same, but many answers. Multiple choice, only one. Yes. Next question. Multiple choice, also many options. These are the correct options, and this is the wrong one. If you want to show explanation, it is for the only paid users, not the free one. Next type, that's true false. Next type is matching one. Matching. Correct answer is RAM is non-volatile, RAM is volatile, RAM is non-volatile, pen drive is for the storage, and mouse is your device. Is the correct one. If you want to shuffle the answers or shuffle the option, then you can click on this. Next one is your matching word within the blank. You have to write the question, and here you have to write the correct answer for that one. Right. The correct answer is your top brackets. And the possible answer, alternate answers. That is reserve, next type is your essay type question. Here, the student has to write the answer in an essay format, in a big format. Essay type question. So you have to increase the marks for that. For example, there is a 5 marks. Six created 0 10, that is total 10 points. Now, next step is your publishing. Before publishing, you can preview your test so that you get the idea how your test is going to be appear. Just click on the preview your test. This is for instruction. Preview your test. Just we have to preview. That's why we will click on that preview button. See, our test will look like this. Admin password if you want to change or edit the quiz, edit the test. Otherwise, you can go directly here also. If you want, there is one more option, one more feature is there, that is paper copy. If you want to save this test in a paper format, black and white format, hard copy, then you can take it, download as a Word document, view print of download. Then it will download it. If you want to download the file with your answers, then you click this one, show answer, then it will download it with the answer. If you are fully ready with your options, then click on this publish button. Now your test is ready and is published. This is your URL. This is the most important, because if you forget this one, you can't remember, or you can't get it back, because there is no option for taking it back. And this is the password for the students. Just select it and write it anywhere, or just memorize it. I'm copying it and pasting it here. Our test is here. Enter your name and your password. For your reference, you can bookmark it. Your administrator password is different. Your login student login password is different, which you provided here. This is the password for the user 147258. Once you're ready, your quiz is published. Now we will solve as a student. For example, I'm solving it as a dummy name Rahul and the password 147258. Start. Dash is an effect with the right. Features of computer. I'm solving it randomly. As I know the answer, still I am making the mistake to get the correct result. Like the following: mouse is an input device, ROM is a non-volatile memory, that's number 3, pen drive is a storage, RAM is a volatile. Define computer like this feature. There is an output device. Computer is an now I'm submitting. This is my score 4.5 out of 5. Congratulations. So this is the partially correct, as we picked that point partially correct. That's why I got 0.5 marks here. This is once again this is the mistake. Which are the 0.75. This is correct. Next time, KB1 level. Let's see the result. Started on, and how much marks I got, how the student got, you can see here. You can download this score sheet as a point grid, that is a Excel format, or in a response grid also, or you can copy it. See, this is the result. This is the result. If you want to see the particular student's result, then also you can click that one. As we solved only one process, you can again solve another process. Rohan and solving randomly. This time I am trying to show you the message for the failed student. Zero. Totally failed. Better luck next time. The broken. And if you want to log out, this result will show. If I want to save this Rahul's result, I will click it and will point it. Export to CSV point it. Or you can search a particular name. If there are number of students, then you can search for it. At a time, 100 students can solve your test, solve your quiz. 50 questions are allowed in a free. Just you have to view this ID. This you are able to give to your student. This is the best tool to make a quiz, to make a test and evaluate the students. Thank you.